fellow citizens, we meet at this important juncture in our revolutionary journey as Zimbabweans, Zimbabwean people first. We are all aware of the mammoth task we face in democratizing liberating this country from the oppressive ZANU-PF regime. We are equally aware of the desperate efforts by ZANU-PF regime to ensure that Zimbabwe People First fails on its mandate to be the next government. Without equivocation, it is on public record that Mugabe has boasted that there shall be Zimbabwe People First 1, 2, maybe up to 100, like what happened with MDC. And we know who did that. It was his job. As anticipated, the regime is desperate because of the exponential growth of our party and the fact that the party is firmly rooted on ensuring that the ideals of the revolution retains to the citizenry. As a party, we have decided to take stern measures against elements determined to stall the progress that the party has been making. As a result, we have decided to eject some of the colleagues and comrades we thought would stand with the people's cause, but have chosen to be agents of the regime. All sorts of tricks, ranging from coup d'etat and sophisticated infiltration, have taken center stage with a view to delaying the people's cause of equivocal liberation. Having done extensive consultation with the rank and file of the party, and also in my capacity as the president of the party with the executive authority to ensure its well-being, I hereby announce the expulsion of the following members of the people from the Zimbabwe People First Party with immediate effect. 1, Rugare Inokingidi Gumbo. Didmas Noel Edwin Mutasi. Margaret Dongo. Kudakwashe Basikiti. Lakson Kandemir. Munacho Mtezo, Claudius Makoa. We assure Zimbabweans that more heads are going to roll in this revolutionary cleansing exercise. We remain committed to the democratization of Zimbabwe. We remain to a coalition of progressive opposition forces to fight and remove ZANU-PF from office. Above all, we remain committed to liberating Zimbabweans in totality. May God bless Zimbabwe. May God bless us all. And may God see Zimbabwe People First grow from strength to strength.